A very good day to one and all. It's a great pleasure in wishing every woman in the world across on the International Women's Day. I am Advocate Vijayalakshmi, practicing in Alandur, and very proud to say that I am a woman. As an advocate, I would stress that every woman should have the basic knowledge about the laws, and with regard to the right, especially in property matter, in her family, in her matrimonial home, and the protection that is given to her in law. We have heard about empowerment of women. What is empowerment? It is the right of a woman to take decision independently, and that should be applied. I am very happily saying that I am an empowered woman. That is the reason I am before you. But this is only a small layer. Let us consider about the other women in the other strata. They don't even know the basic laws. They don't know that they have a right to property, and in court we have been seeing women begging for a share in the property which she is entitled to legitimately. Also, as a wife, as a mother, as a daughter-in-law in a family, she has a right. She has a right to stay happily in the family home. She has a right to the property there. She has a right to be maintained, and also she has a right to be protected. But when I see people in the court, they come there without even knowing what they are entitled to. Only after we say them that you are entitled to all these rights, do they understand that all those days they have not been literally enjoying that. Nowhere a woman is a slave. She has been taking part in the upliftment of her family. She should be given the due respect. But when I talk about the due respect, women should also know what state they have to utilize it. It doesn't mean, when we talk about a woman, empowerment doesn't mean that she should exceed her limit. And that is what is seen. When they say that I have a right to go out very late in the night, that is not empowerment. That is saying that I will do what men are doing. Definitely, even though in terms of right we are in par with men, it doesn't mean we can do whatever we want. That is not what is embodied in the constitution in the name of empowerment. If every woman realizes it, I am very sure that they will be enjoying what they are as a woman. A small example if I should give, those days in College of Engineering, it used to be only a few women who were there as a student. Now if you take the college in the mechanical engineering line, we say that more than 50% are girls. The same applies to aeronautical engineering. And at this juncture, I would say that every woman should take a pledge that they will do everything that is required for the upliftment of a woman. And I once again take this opportunity in thanking everyone for having given me an opportunity to talk to you, and please see that women take this pledge and are happy and enjoy their right in the right sense. Thank you. தன்னை மறந்து சகல உலகினையும் மன்னனிடம் காக்கும் மகா இருத்தல் சுகம். அனைவருக்கும் மகளிர் தின வாழ்த்துக்கள். சாதிப்போம், வெற்றி பெறுவோம்.
நம்ம எல்லாம் சாதிச்சு காட்டுவோம், நம்ம எல்லாம் உழைப்பால உயர்த்து காட்டுவோம். மகளிர் தின நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
நம்மெல்லாம் சாதிக்க பிறந்தவர்கள். இனிய மகளிர் தின வாழ்த்துக்கள்.